You need to watch this if you love quirky animals. Let's dive into 3 emu-tastic facts. First up, did you know emus are native to Australia? Yep, these big birds call the land down under their home. Now let's talk about their diet. Emus aren't picky eaters. They munch on plants, insects, and even small animals. Talk about a diverse menu. And here's a wild one. Emus can run up to 30 miles per hour. That's faster than most of us can ride a bike. Oh, and one last thing. Did you know emu dads are super dads? They take care of the eggs and chicks all by themselves. Thanks for hanging out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.